another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. My name is Quentin Coles. I go by the moniker aka Mixmaster Q, aka your favorite bartender's favorite bartender with bartending. This week we got another special edition. We're gonna get creative. We're gonna teach you how to make a floral expression. Now we have our drink out the way. Let's go with a recipe that it takes to make a floral expression. We have egg whites, triple sec, St. Elder, and gin. We got our ingredients out the way. Let's make this bad boy. Making a floral expression, it calls for an ounce of gin, a half ounce of St. Elder, which is elderflower, which is gonna make it taste floral. Then another half a triple sec, and we just gonna put a little bit of battered egg white on top. Now it's shaking time. Now we have our cocktail shaken. We're just gonna transport it to the glass. Now it's time to garnish. We have a cucumber slice. We're just gonna sit in the drink like that, and that's how you make the perfect floral expression. Thank you again for tuning in to another special edition of True Mix Masters present True Tuesdays. This is where we try to bring you a different drink each and every Tuesday. Feel free to go on our social media platforms. We on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Until next week, stay true, my friend.